on the dark desert highway, calling my ear. One smell of colitas rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw a shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my sight within. I have to stop for the night. There she stood in the doorway. I heard the mission bell, and I was thinking to myself, it could be heaven or this could be hell. This lit up a candle, and she showed me the way. There was voice down the corridor. I thought I heard them say, "Welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Meet you from at the Hotel California. Any time of year, you can find it here. Her mind is funny, twisted. She got Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty boys. She called spring. How they dance in the courtyard, sweet, summer sweet. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So I call up the captain. Please bring me my wine. He said we having had the spirit this is 1969. I still the voices are calling from far away. When you up in the middle of the night, just to hear them say, "Welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. You're living it up, the Hotel California. What a nice surprise, what a nice surprise, bring your alibi." Mirror of the sailing, the pink champion or I. And she said we are just prisoners all up on the bind. And the matters of chambers, the gather for the face. We stab it in their stately night, but they're just killed the best. Last thing I remember, I was running for the door. I had to find the passage back to the place I was before. Relaxed the night man, your program to receive. You can check out of any time you like, but you can